Hi everyone, I hope you've all been doing well. Life has been very busy. Besides work, I have been focusing on making our home a cozy, fun place for my son and myself. One thing I have really enjoyed is creating a space where my son can explore his interests without spending a lot of money. So Goodwill and kids consignment stores have been amazing. I have found so many great deals on games, furniture, books, and activity equipment. One of our favorite finds is giant easel. We use it every day to write. My son has become completely obsessed with chess. We play every day and sometimes we even play against other people. Another favorite is this giant monster truck. He loves chasing it around. I was especially excited when I found this Lego table at Goodwill. What makes it even better is that it's double-sided. So one side is for regular Lego bricks, and when you flip it over, the other side is for Duplo blocks. So I put it in his playroom, which is really just for our living room, and he uses it almost every day. I've also been trying to create more indoor activities so my son can stay active anytime, whether it's too hot, too cold, or raining outside. One fun idea was taping balloons to the ceiling and moving his mattress next to mine. He jumps on the mattress to reach the balloons, putting two mattresses together almost feels like having a giant trampoline. His bedroom has slowly turned into a little indoor gym. Besides his playroom, he can have more fun here too. We could box together and play with a balance ball and just find a creative way to stay active indoors. One of my favorite Goodwill finds has been the stepper. It's gentle on my knees, strengthens my legs and glutes, and gives me a great cardio workout without taking much space. Another hobby I have fallen in love, which is gardening. I have been growing herbs, veggies, and collecting indoor plants. Recently, I have been propagating mint and pothos. It's been so rewarding watching them grow. I honestly didn't realize how much I would love plants. They made our apartment feel so calm, peaceful, and cozy. I also enjoy knowing that many indoor plants help improve air quality. If you're interested, I would love to make a video sharing my little balcony garden and showing you how I'm growing everything. Thank you so much for sticking with us, even while I've been away. Thank you so much for everyone who has supported this channel and sent donations. Your support has fully helped us create a warm, cozy home, and I'm excited to share more. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next video.